Hey everybody, this is our 59 Chevrolet Apache 3100. It's black, it's beautiful, it's got all new chrome. It's got an LS 5.3 in it with a 4L60 overdrive transmission. Rack and pinion steering on the original suspension up front. It's got air shocks front and rear so you can adjust the height up and down and the softness and the firmness of the ride. It's got beautiful paint that shines and looks nice. Has a great reflection. Beautiful wood bed. Nice paint inside and out. Nice headliner and steering wheel's pretty cool. It's a tilt column, but it's chrome. And it looks like it's probably a red Cadillac seat that's really nice. It's got all new mirrors and new glass, new tires, just a fantastic shine. New bumpers. It's got a new gas tank under it. And it's got oak bed. That's the gas nozzle for putting gas in it. It's got LED tail lights that are cool. You can see the reflection inside. Hi everybody. Now, the cap's still here, but the gas tank's in the back. I'm gonna fire it up. There's the VIN. Here's your gauges. It's got good oil pressure, right at 50 pounds. Temperature, gas gauge, all of that stuff seems to work. It's got under dash air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. New radial tires with GM steel wheels with poverty caps. All new chrome up here.